The real world doesn't wait, and neither does Lakeland College. Thanks to your support at Feast on the Farm, our students are making an impact now, not just after graduation. Because of you, they have access to real-life, hands-on learning opportunities they won't find anywhere else. With your support, they not only have the resources to dream big, they're making those dreams a reality. Feast on the Farm helps fund projects like these, where students use industry-standard tech to learn, lead, and innovate.
Our stock box waterers use subsurface ground temperature, also known as geothermal heat, to stabilize water temperature, protecting it from extreme heat and cold. People donating their hard-earned money for Feast on the Farm gives us the opportunity to have a hands-on learning experience. It's more than just these stock box water bowls. Funds from the Feast on the Farm have also supported a new grain shed, which helps us monitor our grain bins, updates to our agriculture simulation software, and a new maternity pen in our cow-calf barn. It gives us new ideas we can take away with us and teaches us the wide range of tech available in the agricultural industry.
It also fuels creativity, giving opportunities to students to manage and attend networking and educational events, as well as compete in them, like the Border Beauty Showcase.
Us as students, it gives us an opportunity to really explore our creative fields. We wouldn't get opportunities like this if they weren't here for us, they didn't support us. So it really encourages us to get out there more, do these competitions, because we know that people are encouraging us.
Your support opens doors, empowering students to make international connections. Lakeland's range team recently became the first Canadian college to compete at the Society for Range Management Conference, placing 9th out of 23 North American teams.
Getting to experience and participate in that undergraduate range management exam is amazing for our students. Not only are they out at the Society of Range Management Conference networking, getting to meet other students from other institutes, but they're also meeting industry members, both from companies, NGOs, non-for-profits, as well as other institutions as well. Being able to have donor support for something like this allowed the students to focus on what was really important, being able to study, learn more about range management, and being able to represent Lakeland College as best as they could.
Your support at Feast on the Farm doesn't just impact our students. Students pay your support forward, like planting a community garden and hosting community tax clinics that make a real difference.
Today we're doing tax clinics. I am involved in this because I'm an accounting student and I really want to help out the community. I think it's very important for students to get experiences like this because it can really show them what they're getting into and help them decide if this is what they really love and enjoy. It is people like you that make this community what it is today and help it grow, and I really appreciate all of the help you provide to Lakeland College.
Since 2016, Feast on the Farm has raised over $342,000, funding countless student-led, future-focused projects. You are helping our students dream big by giving them the tools to turn those dreams into action. The real world doesn't wait, and with your support, our students are ready.